After spending over $1 million on Facebook lead ads for real estate agents all over the country, these are the top 3 questions we add to every lead form to increase lead quality. So if you want to find out what they are and exactly how to set it up step by step, you're definitely going to want to stay until the end. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Andrew Dunn, and over the last few years, I've helped sell billions of dollars worth of real estate for agents, team leads, and brokers all over North America using my social strategies. And along with my partner, we actually sell homes in Boca Raton in Florida. And on top of that, now we've helped over 100 agents across $100,000 and up in GCI using our social strategies through our coaching and EXP mentorship program. So if you're interested in getting some of our coaching or potentially joining our EXP organization, both those links are in the description below. Now, in today's video, we're actually going to be discussing a hot topic, which is how to increase the lead quality from Facebook ads. Now, a lot of people have a misconception that Facebook ads aren't very good, which is completely false. And there is just a different strategy to working the leads as opposed to, say, a referral. So in today's video, I've got my laptop here pulled up right in front of me. We're going to be going through step by step exactly how you can increase lead quality from your ads. All right, so if you haven't seen the other video, I did a step-by-step walkthrough on how to set up your first Facebook ad. So this is then going to be a bolt-on so you can increase the lead quality from that ad. All right, so if you haven't already, just going to click create. And I'm not going to set up a campaign. Like I said, I've already done a video on that, but we're going to select lead generation, okay? Then I'm going to come through to the lead the ad section. So on the left, it's the third one down. So you've got campaign, ad set, and then ad. And then I'll just select this page. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to scroll down. Okay. Now, as you can see here, we've already got a bunch of lead forms. Okay. So for example, this could be this lead form here. And as we scroll down, we can see these are our top questions that we add. First one, do you currently rent or own? Second one, when are they looking to move? This obviously helps with follow-up. And budget. Now you can do this in a few different formats. You can either do a drop down or you can do a multi-choice, a bit like this. So let's set one up for you guys, all right? So we're going to come here, we've got more volume. You can name it, test form for now. And we're going to come down. If you want an intro, I don't think it's necessary. You could just remove that. Now, the next part you come down to is here is questions. All right. So right now we've got email and full name. So obviously we're going to want a phone number. So we can add that in. So I tend to do full name, email, phone number. Now these are the mandatory fields that you will be requiring from these people. These will be auto-filled by Facebook. So the next one is we're going to come up here and go add question. And then this is where you can see what you want to ask them. So could be multi-choice. So here you go. Do you rent or own? Okay. Rent, add another, own. Next question. When are you looking to move? And then you could put as soon as possible, or however you want to word it, 1 to 3 months. 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months. And then they're the 4 options we've got there for the multi-choice. That's going to give you a good idea of when you need to be following up and the regularity of your follow-up, all right? So just make sure as well you hit the add button. So as you can see there, make sure. So rent, own. So you see on the right-hand side, you can see what it's going to look like. Do you rent or own? Rent, own. When you're looking to move, as soon as possible, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 12 months. And then the last question, and this could be a short answer. This could be a multiple choice. It's really up to you. So you could add in what price point are you looking for? Or what house prices are you looking at? And then it's dependent on your area. So if you're looking at under market value, let's say 300 to 400K. And again, you could do say 400 to 500K. then 500 to 600K, and then you could do like 600K plus. Let's assume you're in a $400,000 area, something like that, or 450, right? So then, as you can see here, this is what the form will look like. You got, do you rent or own? When are you looking to move? And what the price points you're looking at, right? Now, here's what's powerful. I'm not going to hit save on this. I'm going to show you on the current one. So you'd hit publish and that would do it. So when we'll scroll down, you'll see this is a template. Okay. Now, what happens when we click this arrow here? You'll see this is when the auto-populated form fields come from Facebook. So here, there's split out first name, last name, phone number, email, or you can just do full name like I showed you. All right. Then we've got the privacy policy. Just add that in quickly. And then you've got what you want them to do after. So whether it's, calling you, claiming something for free, if you're offering something free on the opt-in, there's plenty of options here. But what I'm telling you to do here is the fastest path to increase lead quality. And this is exactly how you set it up, step by step. Now, in doing this, you then got to have solid follow-up in place. So you want to be following up with the people that fill out the lead forms. You need to have an integration with your CRM so that you are calling these guys. You want to be doing it less than 5 minutes, but no more than 15 minutes. Now, I know you're busy, as we all are in real estate. So if you haven't got the bandwidth to be on top of all of these leads like that, you either need to put some kind of AI software in place. I know there's a bunch out there for real estate agents, or alternatively, which is what we do, is we have an ISA on our team who actually calls the leads as soon as they come in. So a lead will come in, they get notified, and we call them, and they also get put into our drip sequences and automation campaigns. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this short and punchy video on how to increase lead quality. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you are interested more in our coaching, which is far more in depth, it's a 12-week program. The link for that is in the description below. And if you would like to get all our coaching for free and courses, you could actually get that through joining our EXP team. So the link for that is in the description below also. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.